Auntie's Kitchen friends, Annie SEO. Welcome back to another video. I hope you are having a fantastic week. If you're new to the channel, hi there. For those who don't know me, my name's Amanda and I love sharing with people simple and delicious recipes that you can make, cook and bake here in South Korea. As the thumbnail suggests today, I'm going to be sharing with you the simplest of all recipes, colourful Rice Krispie squares, and we sometimes call them Rice Krispie treats. They're crunchy from the Rice Krispies, gooey from the marshmallow. They really are the perfect combination and they're wonderful for birthday parties or special occasions. And if you're here because of easy recipes, then please check out 3 other recipes I've posted, and they are chocolate crispy cornflakes, Rocky Road chocolate bar, and my personal favourite, Rainbow Rocky Road bar. I think you're going to like them as well. So let me show you today colourful Rice Krispie squares in South Korea.
There's only a tiny bit of prep with this recipe. First I start with cutting up both the pastel coloured and white marshmallows. Now I'm using big marshmallows today, but if you've managed to find smaller marshmallows you won't need to cut them up. But I have found when you cut them up they melt quicker in the pan. A quick tip, if you're cutting them up and you find them sticking to your hands and scissors, just dip the scissors and your hands in water and this will stop it from happening. For those of you living in Korea, you can find the white marshmallows in both Home Plus and E-Mart, and I found the colour marshmallows in Artbox. For today's recipe, I use an assortment of pastel coloured sprinkles. You could also use just blue or just red depending on your party theme. As I say each week, just take this recipe, have fun with it and make it your own. Because this is such a flexible recipe, you can really use any container that you have. Today I would like my Rice Krispies to be quite thick, so I use a very high container. I line it with some baking paper so that at the end it will be easy to remove from my tin. Another quick tip for you, make sure to leave some baking paper hanging over the edge of your tin, and I'll explain a little bit later why this is useful. You could melt the butter first and then add the marshmallows, but it works just as well melting it all together. I personally like to place my bowl over some boiling water and melt it this way, but you could also cook everything in a pan on a low heat. If you're like me and only have a metal bowl to use, please be careful as it will get hot. On a low to medium heat then, I just let the marshmallows melt in the bowl. Could at this stage add a drop of vanilla essence, but I think it is sweet enough without. I stir occasionally, and soon as the butter and the marshmallows have come together, we're ready to go on to the next stage. For this next part you need to move quite quickly because as soon as your marshmallows come off the heat they will begin to set. Pour them into your Rice Krispies and mix well until every Rice Krispie is coated with some of the marshmallow. Then I add the coloured marshmallows and make sure they are spread out in the mixture evenly. We don't want them to totally melt, so add them at the last minute. Once I feel everything is mixed in, I add about 1/3 of the sprinkles on top, then fold over the mixture and add another 1/3 on the bottom, and then get these mixed in until all the sprinkles are evenly distributed in the Rice Krispie mixture. If you are wanting to add any other ingredients, chocolate chips, raisins, cranberries, or even Fruit Loop cereal to add some colour instead of the pastel coloured marshmallows, then this would be a great time to add them now. The Rice Krispie mixture is looking great, so it's time to quickly put it into the tin before it sets. Once you've emptied all of your mixture into the container, I recommend using a spoon to make sure everything is evenly spread out. Then, fold the excess baking paper that we talked about earlier in the video over your Rice Krispie treat and gently push down with your hands to compress the Rice Krispies. To finish decorating your Rice Krispie squares, use the remainder of the sprinkles and then gently press these in using the baking paper. The final step is to place this into the refrigerator and allow it to set for 10 to 15 minutes. Cut up your Rice Krispies into whatever size that you would like. They'll keep in a sealed container for a couple of days. So here we have delicious and fast to make colourful Rice Krispie squares. Perfect for a birthday party or a special occasion. Crunchy from the Rice Krispies, gooey from the marshmallows, the perfect combination. So please have fun making this for friends and family and have a wonderful week. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless. Chop bok ham na da.